Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all mushroom lovers and vegetarians looking for a flavorful twist. Today we are teaching the ordinary and diving into a creamy, comforting dish, mushroom butter masala. Forget your typical tomato-based curries. This recipe uses the richness of butter to create a luxurious sauce that perfectly complements the earthy flavor of mushrooms. So get ready for a symphony of textures, tender mushrooms bathed in a smooth and flavorful sauce. Every bite is a delightful explosion of savory and creamy goodness. So ditch the blend and embrace the buttery. Let's get cooking and create a restaurant-worthy mushroom butter masala at home. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. So now let's begin with the recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add oil. Add 1-inch cinnamon stick. Add 4 cloves. Add 3 garlic cloves chopped. 1-inch ginger chopped. Then fry this for about few seconds. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 tomatoes sliced and fry this until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala. Then fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure it is something like this. Then blend this to a paste. Take a blender and simply add the onion and tomato mix. Add 1/3 cup water and blend this to a fine paste. There you go, the paste is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. It's nice and smooth. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoon ghee. Add the masala paste which was previously made. And then fry this for about 2 minutes. Then add 800 grams mushrooms washed and cut 1 by 2. Then give this a nice mix and add 1/3 cup water and then cover it and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi and then give this a nice mix. Then add 1 cup water and give this a mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoon butter. Add 1/3 cup double cream and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add half tablespoon lemon juice and give this a nice mix and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a steaming plate of restaurant quality mushroom butter masala is ready to tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious vegetarian recipes like this one. If you prefer a touch more heat, simply add a sparkle of red chili powder at the end. Oops, almost forgot. For an extra touch of umami flavor, you can add a tablespoon of soya sauce or a tablespoon of miso paste to the sauce. Now go forth and create your own creamy mushroom masterpiece with this delicious mushroom butter masala recipe. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. If you have any question regarding this recipe, then you can of course ask me in the comments. I will reply them. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.